Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm back with another DIY video. In today's video, I'll be tie-dyeing my white t-shirt. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, first of all, I'll dip my t-shirt into the warm water and let it be there for 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
So guys, I have squeezed the water out of it. So make sure you do not use the colors on the t-shirt in your room. Please do it in the washroom or use a huge plastic thing because it's gonna spoil your room. So I'll be using tiny mat. So let's do it.
So guys, first of all we'll make spiral with the help of fork. So now guys, I'll be using this dyeing ink which is used for the color printers. I could not manage the colored powders which is actually used for tie-dyeing the t-shirts and shirts. So yes, let's do it and let's see if it works. So guys, either this video is gonna be a pass video or a fail video. So let's do it. So now I'll just pour the colors randomly.
So guys, yes, I spoiled my hand, but the result is worth it. I have, uh, I have kept my t-shirt in the sun for a while so that it gets dried completely. So yes, I'll show you the result in a few moments. So to the ones who are still watching my video, please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe guys, please subscribe. I promise I'll come up with more such contents. So here it is. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. I personally loved the t-shirt because I really like dyed shirts and t-shirts, and it's also trending these days. So yes, if you really liked my video, please guys give a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel there, and hit the bell icon for more such videos. So till then, see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.